But if you pay off the restitution and refile, the judge will grant the motion to get your gun rights back. Hello, my name is Derron Woodfork, and I'm an attorney here in Scottsdale, Arizona. And today I want to talk about getting your rights restored back here in Arizona. In Arizona, we have two different laws. We have a law to seal your old criminal case, and we also have a law to restore your gun rights back and your civil rights back. Those are two different laws, but I want to talk today about the difference between the two laws when it comes to when the judge makes a decision. Basically, the motion to seal law is much more stringent on what happens if the motion is denied. Basically, you have to have all your fines paid off, you have to have all the restitution paid off, and then you have to wait the time periods to file a motion to seal. If you do that and you still have outstanding restitution, the judge will grant or deny the motion, and there's really nothing you can do about it besides filing another motion, 3 years later. However, with the gun rights law, in order to restore your gun rights here in Arizona, even though the gun rights motion is much more complicated, it's a much more serious process, there's a chance that you could have a hearing for the gun rights if you're finally get your gun rights back. Even though it's a more serious motion, the decision part of it is better than the motion to seal law. And what I mean by that is if you don't have your fines, well, it's not mandatory that you have to have fines paid off and restitution paid off to get your gun rights restored. However, it is definitely advisable. The motions that I've had granted to restore people's gun rights back here in Arizona, everybody's had their fines and their restitution paid off. But if you don't have it all paid off, say you have, maybe you have 80% paid off and you still have 20% remaining. If you file the motion with the judge and the judge sees that you have outstanding fines or outstanding restitution, the judge will deny the motion, or if sometimes they grant it anyway, because again, it's not under the law, it's not required to pay off all the restitution and fines to get your gun rights back. Under the seal law, it is under the law that it's required, but under the get your gun rights back, it's not. But anyways, some judges do require that all the fines and restitution are paid off in the gun rights, getting your gun rights back. So anyways, they will deny the motion, but in their notes, when they deny it, and basically in the judge's decision, they'll say that they're denying the motion to get your gun rights back because of the outstanding restitution. But if you pay off the restitution and refile, the judge will grant the motion to get your gun rights back. And basically, it happens pretty quick, too. You get the motion saying that the case has been denied because of the outstanding fines or outstanding restitution. If you pay that off, we refile the motion almost immediately. And then in about 2 weeks, the judge will grant the motion to restore your gun rights back, all things being equal. So that's one thing that's very, very helpful when it comes to filing a motion to restore your gun rights back here in Arizona. If you have any other questions or you want any information, I have a ton of videos on this channel about restoring your rights, your gun rights, and getting your old case sealed. Check the shorts section of this channel. There's a lot of videos from last year about that. So if you have any questions, please check those videos, and also feel free to give my law firm a call. I'm here in Arizona, and my number here is 602-284-3035, and thanks for watching.